24th, and I am driving a really shitty car down the street. Fucking damn it. Yesterday I made a video about hating my job, and then my fucking car wouldn't start. We thought it was out of gas. And, well, apparently that wasn't the only problem. We put gas in it and it started. Now I'm starting to wonder if my timing is just really, really off. You can tell. I'm having a horrible time. The car is just going dirt, 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 dirt. I'm limping it back home. See, if my boss watches this is why I fucking called in. My car sucks. Oh my god. Well, it's getting late. I can't hardly do nothing to it now. Well, anyway, I'm sorry guys for this crappy video, but this has been my day. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna make a part 2 about the car, fixing the car. Damn it. Well, you hear that? Did you hear that? I know you did. Maybe you didn't. Anyway, talk to you later. Talk to you tomorrow. Video day for a year. Bad lighting. It's great.